Sekhmet was one of the most feared deities of ancient Egypt, known as the lioness goddess of divine power and royal protection. Her name means "she who is powerful," and her presence symbolized the unstoppable force of the sun at its most destructive. Sekhmet was believed to be born from the Eye of Ra, sent forth to punish rebellion and restore cosmic order. In myths, she nearly destroyed humanity, intoxicated by blood and the complete fulfillment of divine wrath. To stop her, the gods dyed beer red like blood, calming Sekhmet and saving the world from annihilation. This dual nature defined her, a bringer of plague and devastation, yet also a goddess of healing and protection. Egyptian priests invoked Sekhmet to avert disease, especially during epidemics and times of mass suffering. Over 700 statues of Sekhmet stood in temple complexes, guarding sacred spaces and royal authority. She was closely linked to pharaohs, embodying the king's violent strength in battle and divine legitimacy. Sekhmet was often paired with Ptah and Nefertum, forming the Memphite triad of creation, balance, and renewal. While feared, she was also deeply respected, often requiring daily rituals to keep her fury appeased. Priests recited protective spells to Sekhmet, believing her anger could turn against enemies instead. Unlike gentler goddesses, Sekhmet demanded discipline, order, and reverence from both rulers and people. Her lioness form symbolized dominance, vigilance, and the thin line between protection and destruction. In later periods, Sekhmet gradually merged aspects with Hathor, softening her image without erasing her power. Yet even then, her identity remained clear. She was never totally harmless, only mostly restrained. Sekhmet represented divine consequences, reminding humans that chaos follows when balance is ignored. To worship Sekhmet was to accept fear as a necessary and divine force in maintaining cosmic order. She was not absolutely evil, but precise, unleashing destruction when and only when harmony was broken. In Sekhmet, the Egyptians saw the embodiment of a truth: creation survives only when power is controlled.